Hello friends! I'm here so we can learn together how to draw me. And first of all, we're starting with the headphones. And now, from the bottom of the headphones, draw a half circle. Then from the top of the headphones, draw another half circle to form my head. And now, inside the big circle, draw two smaller circles to make my eyes. That are my eyes. Draw two little curved lines like Vana. And now, inside my eyes, draw two smaller circles. Great job! You're doing amazing! And now, it's time to draw my eyebrows and my mouth. Wow, my face is almost complete! And now, draw my hair like Vana, and then draw the headphone band. Wow, it's looking super cool! And if you liked the drawing, don't forget to like and subscribe! And now, it's time to draw my two antennas on top of my head. Make sure to draw them like Vana! Yay! My antennas are coming to life! And finally, draw the body. Just pull two straight lines down from under my head and then connect them at the bottom with another line to finish my body. And with a thick black marker, make the outline of my body darker. Wow, now I look super bold and clear! And now it's time to color me. Use the same colors that Vana uses. Yay! Let's make me bright and beautiful. And thank you for staying with us until now. Goodbye. See you next time. Don't forget to keep drawing and having fun.